how to create a wallpaper for your phone in Canva. So let's get started. So here I've opened the Canva app, and then when you scroll to the side, you'll see the option called phone wallpaper, or you just can search it out. I'm just gonna do that, phone wallpaper. So you can create one from scratch, or there are lots of pre-made templates. You can change the text, the pictures in there, and then use it as your own, and you can do that if you want. But today I'm just gonna start from scratch. See, there are lots of templates here. You can use one. I'm not gonna do that, so let me choose my background. Let's see, you can make it fun with popping colors and all. You can make it pastel, whatever you like. So I am just going to choose this color, I guess. Yes. And then you can add elements to it or texts. So there are lots of cute elements over here. You can choose any one of that, like that. You can even change the colors in the elements. You can just click that. I'm going to add some more. I know this does not match my theme. I'm just going for whatever I see. Alright, that's all you have to do. You can even add text and change the font in that, change the color and do all those stuff. And after you're finished, just click the download button and download it to your phone and apply it as your wallpaper. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.